Hello and welcome back. Now, as you know, I bought from Iconic Parts the screen braces here with the winglets. Now, when I wanted to install, one of the winglets was broken here at this point, as you can see. So you most likely seen also the video of the installation. You've seen the first drive of it. Now, I got some made. Now, after the story, the waiting time, I decided to check here locally. And sorry, Jamie from Iconic Parts, but I made a copy here, so no offense, but I just can't wait anymore. It took already far too long.
Hello, I'm Nikolai. Welcome to Spoke Wanderer.
Let's roll. So the winglets are installed. I think it looks quite nice. I'm very curious how they're gonna be. I don't know if you can see that. You have a good gap here between the fairing and the spacer. Then another gap here between the screen. Mounted with 2 screws and spacers. Now this one is the original one. This one is the one which was done here in Ajman. So this one is a little bit with rounded edges, the original one. This one has sharp straight edges. When it's up, you can really see here it covers this area on the side a bit wider of the screen. There's no issue with my handlebars and the butt busters, which is good. The only thing which is touching is actually the mirror, which I can adjust. Yeah, I like it. Now, I think it looks quite good, I would say. I'm not sure. Let's see. It looks actually very nice. Can be that here the airflow is a little bit different, but it looks nice. Anyway, I'm gonna change now and go for a ride. I'm gonna test these bad boys out.
I have the winglets installed on the Iconic Parts screen braces. You've seen most likely the last video where I tested them without. Now it's almost similar like the screen spacers, just it gives even a little bit more distance like than only the screen spacers. Now I tell you, with the winglets installed, it's a game changer. It changes completely. Now, this part is completely free of buffering, free of wind flow and so. These guys, they really break them up. This is absolutely fantastic. Also on the shoulders, you don't feel that much wind. It feels like it's really breaking up these little winglets. Amazing. In the up position, yes. In the down position, not as much. In the down position, you still get the full wind flow here on the chest and all. I don't know how it will be with the taller screen. I mean, this is the sports screen, so perfect for me. When you put it up, it's just amazing. And I have an ADV helmet with a peak on. There's no pulling of wind, no nothing. It's just absolutely amazing. Yeah, Iconic Parts, good job, absolutely good job. This is I think a mod which is definitely worth to have on the Multistrada, and I understand now why the new one, the V4S and so, or the new Multistradas, they have winglets here. It's most likely exactly because of eliminating certain buffering, and when you have then some space in between, it makes a difference. So it is really nice. So now let's enjoy a bit of ride. Iconic Parts once more, excellent job, excellent job. Absolutely amazing. I love these guys. These mountains, what you see, that's Hajar mountain range here in the northern Emirates. They go all the way from Muzandam into Oman, almost till Muscat or behind Muscat. Even now I have GPS 130. It feels amazing. Here is completely no wind at all. Here it starts a bit where my fingertips are, but other than that, here in this area, nothing. Here a little bit. Amazing. Very nice. Iconic Parts, I repeat again, good job. Thank you, Jamie. I have to mention as well the screen braces from Iconic Parts with the winglet I bought for my own money. The only thing is, Jamie, the owner of Iconic Parts, he gave me this mount for the GPS, which is going with that on top of it. I had before the Iconic Parts mount for my GPS for my Garmin Zoom XT, which was better than the one which I had before, and I could have used it, although it would have been extremely tight, so he sent it for free on top of it. Other than that, I'm not sponsored by Iconic Parts. Everything what I say is just my opinion. You might have a different experience. I just stopped for some water and on the side of the road, and there was one other motorcyclist coming with Honda Goldwing, and I just greeted him, and he made a U-turn because I was thinking I'm in need of help. I mean, this is very common here in the UAE. People help each other, people talk to each other. One time, I remember back, I was checking on my Jeep some years back, the oil and the engine, and directly people stopped and thinking, you need any help? So I'm not sure. In most countries, people just would ignore. Yeah, he was on a tour as well, and we had a small chit chat, and yeah, this is always good to know. If you're in need, people stop and help. And this is what is the nice thing about the United Arab Emirates. People might drive here and there a little bit chaotic. You have so many different nationalities of different backgrounds, but in general it's always, you know, the way you approach people, people come back to you. If you approach someone with a smile, I would say 95% of the time you get a smile back, and situation is always good. Yeah, communication with people, as you all know, is key, especially when you travel. The language in addition helps. Now, my Arabic is not that good. Most likely you'll have to speak Hindi as well. Now we have what, 10:20 in the morning. Today in the morning when I went, it was down to 8 degrees, and now we have 19. I still have my fleece under, and it's still pleasant, although I think without the fleece in my mesh jacket from Adventure Packs, the Mongolia jacket would be still a bit chilly. So, but the nice thing with this Adventure Pack system is, like, you have this layering system, this onion system, you know, layer by layer, and yeah, that's quite fantastic. Now, some years back, I've been here already, and I was looking for that because here used to be a monument. Now, I'm not sure what happened. The street up here is still there, but the monument is gone. It's also crossed out. It was quite big, actually. It was completely demolished. Interesting. Now, as mentioned earlier, I'm not sponsored by Iconic Parts. The braces here and the winglets with the spacers I bought from my own money, and this little bracket here I got from Jamie free of charge. Now, he never said you have to say this, you have to say that. No, everything is up to my discretion, and I have to say I like it. I really like it. Now, it took a while until I had the set complete, because you see in the video one of the winglets was broken, and then I didn't have time to get a new one, and this guy which I asked for, I said, yeah, no problem, I can do. He took also his time, and so it took another, I think, 5 weeks running behind him and so, and then finally I got them, because the first copies, they were also not okay. Finally I got them. I installed them and changed and hit the road a bit, and yes, I'm very positively surprised about them. When the screen is down, they don't have much effect, but when the screen is up and in this position which you've seen, amazing. The whole upper body around the helm, nothing, no turbulence, no nothing. Perfect. I mean, Iconic Parts and Jamie, the owner of Iconic Parts, they did a really good job. Now I understand also, like for example, I think the Multistrada before has also the similar winglets. It comes from there, and yeah, they help stabilize, they help breaking up the airflow, so you have less turbulences around your upper body and the helmet. Yes, it is definitely a mod and an accessory which I can recommend, and it looks good on the bike. It looks also good. That's it for today. Leave me down a comment, give me a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button. I'm Nikolai, your Spoke Wanderer. Ciao for now.